I was really stuck. I was failing again in the 90s, and a simple discovery changed our world. Okay, it didn't start out with beachfront bucks. The discovery is all those stories we heard as kids about Aladdin's lamp and the magic carpet and the fairy garden mother. It turns out they're true, and it dates back to 2450 BC. This is known as the trickster god. But the ancients knew something about the subconscious mind, and that it is literally Aladdin's lamp. Everything in your life was created by you, and you are a creative genius. We're all creative geniuses, and we're going to prove that to you in just a few minutes. If you did that,
Everybody knows that superior systems out there are based on what? Real life, okay? And they're rooted in human nature, and of course, corroborated by science is really important. Bottom line is seminars absolutely do not work. So guess what? We don't do seminars. And then we're going to go deep within ourselves and discover that one thing.
What the secret of life is.
No, what?
This.
Your finger?
One thing. Just one thing. You stick to that and everything else don't mean shit.
That's great, but what's the one thing?
That's what you gotta figure out.
and that's what you're here to do today, is to figure that out.
I
Okay,
am a curious creator.
fantastic. How does that feel?
Amazing.
And what's your color?
Red, blue.
Red, blue. Okay, so reds are the visionaries and all that, and blues, they care, they're about intimacy. So you are a color. Your color is,
Red.
okay, and your two-word description, your purpose, this is your going west thing, is,
Curious creator.
and it feels righteous, right? She's in alignment. I think everybody can see that connection.
Yeah.
I'm a creative problem solver. Whenever there's wrong, I go for the solutions.
So I'm gonna
That's
guess
for
you're,
sure.
I'm gonna guess you're blue.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Which, so you see
Deep,
how
deep
that,
blue. Deep
so
blue.
you see how that's in alignment. You see how her two-word identification of who she really is, not what she's been trained to think she is, but who she really is. Do you see how that's in alignment with her core motive? That's fantastic.
That's awesome.
Okay.
All right, I've got entertaining presenter and curious conversationalist.
So you got to kind of narrow that down.
I'm
right?
gonna go with
What color are
entertaining
you?
presenter,
What color are you?
yellow.
Yeah, entertaining presenter. There you go. Can't wait to see you on stage and on webcast. And
Yeah.
you're already chuckling about it. Yeah, that's fantastic.
That's
Just
awesome.
How does it feel?
It's amazing.
So are
That's
you.
great.